to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. You are most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, Principal CV Gupta Saraswati Vidyapeeth, Mathura Road, Aligarh. Dear students, in the stream of teaching parts of speech, today I am going to take your adverb. First of all, we have to understand what's adverb. Means we have to know the definition of adverb. Adverb, actually it modifies. We are to take definition, the word which modifies any verb, adverb, adjective, preposition and conjunction is called adverb. I am taking example. In example, he runs fast. Here he runs is verb. Fast is modifying verb runs. It means fast is adverb as it is modifying verb runs. Second one is Ram runs very fast. In this, fast is adverb and very is also adverb. Very is modifying fast adverb. Now it's clear, adverb also modifies adverb. First, adverb modifies verb. As he runs fast, fast is modifying runs. In second, Ram runs very fast. Here, fast is modifying runs and very is modifying fast. It means here adverb very is modifying adverb fast. Next one is the flower is very beautiful. Here beautiful is adjective. Beautiful is qualifying flower. And very beautiful, here very is adverb as it is modifying beautiful adjective. Now next one, it modifies preposition also. For example, they lived exactly under my roof. So here exactly is adverb. It is being used before under. It means it is modifying under. Under is preposition. So we have to know it also modifies preposition. Next one, modifying conjunction. He comes only when I am not here. Here he comes only. Only is adverb. It is modifying when. And when is conjunction, means connector. Now it's very clear, the word which modifies any verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction is called adverb. I am taking your adverbs. There are simple adverbs. In simple adverbs, there is adverb of time. In adverb of time, he came late. Call him early. There are two examples. He came late, yani late, it's adverb of time. It is modifying came. And call him early. Early is adverb. It is modifying call. Therefore, we all have to know this is adverb of time. And there are certain words. For example, these are the words now, late, daily, before, then, already, since, today, early, afterwards, and tomorrow, ago, soon. These words are adverb of time. Now I am taking your next, that is adverb of place. In place, there is the word here, there. Raman goes there, Sita comes here. Here and there, these are adverb of place. And there are certain words which are in adverb of place. There, here, above, out, below, far, within, hither, thither, inward, behind, away, everywhere, and backward. These are the words which are adverb of place. And the next one is, that is adverb of number. In adverb of number, there is a number, as I read the Ramcharitmanas twice. Here twice is adverb. He will come again. Again is adverb. I have told you once. Once is adverb. And the words which are adverb of number, once, twice, thrice, always, seldom, and often, sometimes, frequently. These are adverb of number. And next one is adverb of manner. In adverb of manner, we all have to know there is ly in adjective, and that becomes adverb of number. The girl sang sweetly. He speaks clearly. Ram walks slowly. Rita runs fast. These sweetly, clearly, and slowly and fast are adverb of manner. Here the words adding ly, clearly, slowly, sweetly, hardly, badly, nicely, quietly, probably, and certainly. These are adverb of manner. And next one, that is adverb of quantity. In adverb of quantity, there are the words fully, very, so, and example, I am fully ready to go. He is very clever. He is so glad. Here, fully, very, so. And the words which are actually in adverb of quantity, too, much, very, almost, little, quite, rather, partly, enough. These are in adverb of quantity. So my dear students, these are up to here. Next one is adverb of region. In adverb of region, there are actually two words. Therefore, hence. In therefore, he therefore left the school. And she is hence unable to go to her place. So there are two words, therefore and hence, and these are adverb of region. And next one is adverb of affirmation. In adverb of affirmation, there is yes. And if there is any question, did you complete the work? Yes, I completed the work. So here yes. And next one, we have to know the words yes, surely, certainly, undoubtedly. These are showing affirmation. There is adverb of negation. In adverb of negation, if there is any question, and in that question, if there is answer which one is in negative, then that is adverb of negation. He does not know me. He will never see the picture. Like this, here the word never, not. If there is the question, did you go to school yesterday? No, I did not go to school yesterday. No, this is adverb of negation. Along with this, there are two more adverbs. Adverb, which one is interrogative adverb, and next one is relative adverb. Actually, if the words which are used to ask questions, and these words modify any verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction. In the same way, the words that show relation, and in showing relation and modifying verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction. So these are called adverb, means interrogative adverb and relative adverb. So dear students, this is the topic adverb. I think you have understood the topic adverb. Thank you very much.